Welcome to Kitchen 28. If you're new here, you need to subscribe. Today we're making a sandwich. So we're going to need an egg, some tomatoes cut and randomly cut, some onion rings and some randomly cut onions, some garlic, some parsley, and of course some green pepper, a cabbage leaf, and a carrot. First we'll need to crack the egg open. Add the onions, the randomly cut ones, the green pepper, and some parsley, of course. Don't add too much. We need to mix that a little. Don't add too much parsley. Some people don't like parsley. We're going to add a pinch of salt, some chili flakes. Don't add too much. Some people also don't like chili in their eggs. If you don't like chili in your egg, well, we have another alternative. We have to make a sauce, and in that sauce you can add your chili, of which I have added in my egg because I like my chili in the egg. The egg is ready to hit the pan. So just fry that on medium heat. Don't overheat the frying pan or you'll get a burnt egg. Flip the side. Look at that. Just look at that. Doesn't that look mouth-watering? Just look at that. Just look at that. Wow. That looks already yummy. And we are not even halfway. So now we'll put that aside and we'll put another pan. Preheat that pan with some oil in it. Then we'll add our garlic, our onions, some parsley, and let that caramelize a bit till it's kinda ready. Look at that. Look at that. So we're going to add some salt. Just enough. Mix that a little and we add our tomatoes, the randomly cut ones. Well, the thing about the tomatoes is that the tomatoes are the key to the sauce, because the tomatoes have this kind of juice, and if you heat them they unleash the juice. So we're going to smash that a bit and make our chunky sauce. Doesn't that look lovely? I guess it does. I don't even guess, I know it does. Wow. If you can just feel the scent of that. Wow. I'm hungry already. I'm really hungry. So we're going to put that aside and we're going to arrange for our stacking. So first we'll put our egg on a plate, bring out our sauce. Then we'll have to work on our buns. Well, we're going to cut that horizontally into equal parts. And then I added some butter, and then I grilled only one side, the inside part of it. I added some butter and grilled it. So get our round cut tomatoes, our egg, our cabbage leaf, one is just enough, and carrot. Well, for the cabbage leaf I used half of it because it has an overpowering taste, so it's better use half of it. And look at that, Look at that. Well, I'm not going to arrange it for you. It's better you do it yourself and be creative like I did.